Cyrus has been neutered. So no puppies for him. It's not something we're planning is to have our dogs have pups. So he is wearing a very large cone. He's doing really good with it on. So as a quick sidebar, make sure your dogs have a cone available when they're fixed. You are their only representative, and if you feel like they need one, have the vet order you one. There's a short window of time in which they've been spayed where they can do a lot of damage to their incision if they have access to it. You are their advocate. Follow your gut instincts.